Facility Agriculture adopts greenhouses and soilless tech. Intelligent control delivers stable, high-yield crops all year round. It covers planting, automation, cold chain, and digital management with obvious production advantages. This integrated system centers on a digital management platform. It covers planting, cultivation, environment control, and post-harvest logistics, operating layer by layer in a full closed-loop workflow. We provide full greenhouse, one-stop service, design, equipment supply, installation, and after-sales support, covering planning, cultivation, automation, and complete cold chain systems. Solar greenhouses make full use of solar energy with great heat preservation. They feed northern regions for vegetables, fruits, flowers, and medicinal herbs with a stable, low-cost operation. Multi-span glass greenhouses realize standardized intelligent planting with reliable structure and full automatic control. They suit mass production of vegetables, flowers, seedlings, and fruits. Cost-effective plastic greenhouses feature fast assembly and wide adaptability. Complete irrigation, monitoring, and frost protection systems support small and medium-scale crop cultivation. Soilless cultivation cuts soil diseases and saves water and fertilizer. SolutionMall offer hydroponic, substrate, and aeroponic systems to achieve clean, year-round, high-efficiency crop production. Hydroponic systems deliver balanced nutrient supply to crops. NFT, DWC, and raft types save up to 90% water, supporting stable, high-quality leafy greens, strawberries, and tomatoes. Substrate cultivation uses cocoa coir and rock wool for stable root growth. Precise drip fertigation reduces waste, suitable for high-value fruits, vegetables, and cut flowers. Aeroponics sprays atomized nutrients directly on crop roots for high oxygen absorption. It saves 90% water, ideal for seedling raising. Leaf greens and research plant factories. Intelligent fertigation systems realize automatic, precise irrigation and fertilization. Remote cloud monitoring cuts labor and resource waste for all greenhouse crop types. Plant factories are closed, fully controlled indoor farms. With LED lighting and full automation, they achieve continuous water-saving, high-yield production independent of seasons. Vertical farms maximize land space with multi-layer racks. Closed water recycling and intelligent LED control make them perfect for urban, warehouse, and community fresh food supply. Seedling centers supply standardized healthy seedlings via automated lines. Digital monitor ensures traceable, labor-saving seedling production for all facility agriculture upstream planting. Full automatic factory seeding lines finish trade. Seeding, germination, and inspection. Standardized environments boost germination rate and uniform seedling quality. Sensors collect real-time greenhouse data. Automatic controllers adjust wind tolerance, light, and CO. With mobile app, remote monitoring, and multi-channel abnormal alarms. Full-range agricultural automation covers transport, sowing, transplanting, and harvesting robots. Unmanned machines greatly cut labor input and improve continuous production efficiency. Complete post-harvest lines wash, grade, and package fresh produce. Pre-cooling, CA storage, and refrigerated trucks extend shelf life. Realize ensuring full product traceability from farm to taboo. Solar power and heat pump systems lower greenhouse energy costs. Filtration and recycling water treatment save water. With full installation, training, and after-sales service support, SolutionMall's AOT, production traceability, and AI analysis platforms unify all farm data. Real-time monitoring, remote control, and data-driven analysis support scientific planting decisions. SolutionMall integrates all facility agriculture modules, greenhouses, Soilless systems, smart control, and digital platforms, offering customized, full-cycle project cooperation and service.